Fairhope HVAC contractor, residential services launched. Ingersoll's AC and Heating now offer round-the-clock HVAC services to make sure your heating system continues to operate reliably. The best part? They'll come out to inspect and fix your heater no matter the time of day. The team comprises dedicated and highly trained professionals who constantly strive for 100% customer satisfaction. You can expect the highest quality of service from the initial call to the completion of the repair. Contact us at https://ingersollac.com.